Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your network settings. So if you're having an issue with one of your internet connections or something like that, just simply reset everything. So let's go to settings right here, scrolling down until we get to general, then go all the way to the bottom under general. And we want to go to transfer or reset iPhone. Now we don't want to go to where it says erase all content in settings. This will factory reset your phone. We want to go to where it says reset. Then we have the option under here to go to reset network settings. So just go to that and it'll disconnect you from your Wi-Fi or whatever network that you have connected, and you'll have to enter in that information again. So if you have something wrong on your phone for whatever reason, that should go ahead and fix it for you. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.